What's up with you, Leo? Hey, I hope you guys are doing litty. Welcome to my channel. This could resonate for your sun, moon, rising, or Venus sign. It's also timeless. Spirit told me I need a little more enthusiasm in this reading, but yeah, I'm like kind of recovering from some type of virus at the moment, so yeah. I don't know, I haven't mentioned that in any of the other videos, but maybe you guys might be a little bit, I don't want to make it contagious, but yeah, maybe you guys are going through something like that too. But yeah, I kept singing A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now, why am I singing that? Well, it makes sense now that I've pulled the cards. And the reason is because just like, okay, so I learned the alphabet like that, right? And so whenever I'm even going to turn left or right, I got to go, when we want to read and write, we start from the left and we move to the right. Like, I got to do that for some weird reason. That's just how my brain works. So, you know, you could be someone that like, maybe you learn differently, you think differently. But what I'm seeing is you guys are being called to like integrate something that you know and kind of execute it. Take action, right? Because yeah, the eagle could be a symbol for you right now. It could be a spirit guide of yours right now. So I'm going to get some clarity on what this is that you are being called to like integrate. But there's something that you know, right? Like deep down inside of you, but maybe you have to integrate it in your own kind of way, right? You have to learn it, or, you know, I don't know the word, but yeah, there's something here that you guys have to plan to take action on, okay? Again, with the learning, right? There's something that you've been discovering, right? This could even just be blatantly about life, right? You're going to triumph over some kind of obstacles, and that is why the eagle is, you may be seeing the eagle a lot, or you will be seeing the eagle in the near future. Some of you may also be seeing the fox. Now, I'm getting that in your past, the Leos that I'm picking up on, even since December, you guys have been rising above something. It's giving Phoenix energy, okay? You've had some kind of forces working against you, whether these are people or just issues standing in the way, all right? Or people, especially people keeping like information or keeping secrets from you. You guys have risen above it, right? You've risen above the bullshit. You've risen above the drama is what I can see. And so you're at this point right now where it's funny because I'm looking at the money plant and I'm seeing the 6 of Cups. So I feel like you guys, maybe you have big dreams of being very like rich or wealthy, or you may even like plants, right? Some of you may be fully into plants. Like, you know, they got all the plant babies. Like you're a plant parent. Like that's cute as. But yeah, I'm getting there's something that you've got to sort of speak up about it soon, right? And this is why the skull's out here. It says hidden secrets can harm you. So it's interesting because on top of it, we have the wishbone, right? So there's something that you're sort of being called to speak up about. But you need to take the first step to do it. The thing is, I feel like once you take this step, your reality is going to start to fast forward, like you see here. Right, and all you need to do is just take that first step toward it. Because there's something, I feel like there's something you guys are holding back from saying. Maybe this is an old story. Maybe something that happened to you. It could be something that you want to do. It could be something you want to say to somebody, right? Whatever it is, it's like I can feel it in the throat chakra. There's some kind of like imbalance in the throat chakra, and you need to take the step toward like clearing your throat chakra somehow. Okay, and this could be very well in relation to what you went through or what you witnessed in December last year, or since December. Okay, some of you have been going through some kind of spiritual attacks, and you know, people have tried to shut you up. Fucking hell, like someone someone has definitely tried to stop you from speaking, right? Speaking about the family is what I'm hearing. Speaking about what they did to you. Speaking about like your perspective. Okay, so there is something that's been granted for you, right? There's some kind of wish fulfillment that's around you right now. You know, this could be a person. Maybe you guys just met somebody new, or you're in a relationship with someone that you have a very, passionate connection with, right? You could flirt with this person a lot, whether you're like committed or not. It just feels like a pretty cool connection at this point in time. It's something that you've wanted, you've manifested. So yeah, there may be something that you want to say to this person. Man, like my throat is like clogging up over this. Why is the star here? This is wish fulfillment, right? So yeah, they're confirming that, yeah, so this person has come in, or you're connected to someone that is your wish fulfillment. Okay, so this could be you. So what is this hidden secrets? Not trying to pry too much into your energy, see? What is this secrets? You don't want to say. This is what I'm saying. Somebody doesn't want to say something. All right? But I'm going to tell you, your spirit guides are showing me that hiding secrets can harm you. Okay? It can harm your throat chakra. Right? This is why honesty is the best policy in life. All right? So you may be hiding some kind of information from this person, right? Take this how it resonates, because this could be your person. I may be picking up something here. But yeah, someone's hiding a secret, okay? I'm just going to say collective. Someone's hiding a secret, and I'm getting that you know better, right? With the knowledge out here, you know better than to keep a secret. You know better than to, like a secret that's going to harm you. But like, you know better than to stay quiet, okay? You know better than to stay quiet about this situation, right? I feel like you're kind of being patient. Look, this could have something to do with a third party. But I'm also getting something is trying to block your throat chakra. Like, what the fuck? What is this? What is this? What do I need to know about the throat? Look at that. Someone needs to speak some truth. And I think that there's probably a bit of worry. There's a bit of anxiety around speaking the truth. But I do feel like the eagle is going to show up for you. Okay? And you're going to be able to speak your truth. And you're going to be able to do it in a way that is best for you. Okay, so like, it's like there's this planning energy around communication coming up. Okay, at the same time, it feels like you're trying to use your discernment. Okay, but some of you may have to sacrifice someone or something for your own healing. You know what I mean? Especially if this is like related to family. Okay. Something could be going on social media. It's really weird. I feel like whoever you are, you may like experience, like psychic attacks from people. Like a lot of evil eye. Or if you speak this truth, it's going to bring about some kind of attack, right? That's what this is. And that could be where the anxiety is coming from, because you know that if you speak your truth, you're going to upset somebody, right? That's what they told me. You got to be enthusiastic about this. You actually need to be enthusiastic about speaking your truth. You know why? Because it's a beautiful thing. And the thing is, when it comes to your truth, it's always unique. And you can express it creatively. You can express it bluntly. You can express it however you want. But it's very important that you may have to say something on social media, right? But I'm getting like, if you don't speak up, this is going to affect your sense of confidence. Like, It'll affect your solar plexus. All right, I'm getting damn. Okay, we may have a star seed in the house. Okay, this could be a big deal because we got Anunnaki, interdimensional travel, and spaceship. So for some of you, you could be, I don't know, connected to the Anunnaki. They're working with you in the ships in the astral. But like I can feel just like this sickening feeling, like somebody feels sick. I don't know if it's you or if it's someone you're dealing with, but somebody feels sick over like information that they're holding on to. Okay, someone maybe even be like, you know, being manipulative to some extent. I don't know if this is intentionally or unintentionally, but I think that someone's avoiding telling the truth because it's going to make someone else hate them, right? So yeah, like there's a relationship in your life. Let me see more on this. Right, and then we got the Ace of Cups and the Queen of Wands. So I don't know why this is coming up. Right, you could have two people in your energy, right? Maybe you have feelings for two people. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, and maybe this is what you're sitting on, right? But you need to be aware that, you know, I feel like you're being called to do the thing that just keeps your chakras aligned and keeps your chakras open. So you're going to have to speak some kind of truth, or someone's going to have to speak some kind of truth, okay? Exactly, right? You've been trained to use your spiritual power for good on a soul level. So right now is some kind of test, okay? Holy shit, time just collapsed on this reading. Yeah, there's some kind of test coming out here. Okay, I feel like you're being called to speak your truth, to make some kind of decision. Okay, set some kind of boundary. That's basically, I feel like, all Spirit's trying to say for you this week, Leo. Let me know if it resonated. Man, time's flying on this one. What the fuck? Peace to you, tribe.